Hi, I am Krishna Raju. I am working as an open source developer for past 4 months in 10th Planet Technologies organized by ChipKids. Today my topic is item editor examples in Adobe Flex. Today my topic is item editor examples is passing multiple values back from an item editor. The cell editing mechanism is optimized to work with item editors that return a single value to the list-based control. In the definition of the list-based control, you use the editor data field property to specify the property of the item editor that contains the new cell data. To return data other than a single value, you write an event listener for the cell end event that takes data from an item editor and writes it directly to the edited item renderer property of the list-based control. Writing it to the edited item renderer property also updates the corresponding data provider for the list-based control with the new data. We can see the examples item editor implemented as a component that uses a text input control and a combo box control. Now I am going to explain passing multiple values from an item editor in data grid. See, now I have created a data grid id as a my grid, row height is 75, data provider in dg in editable as a true property, item edit end is for process data event for calling an event process. Now I created a columns as a company, contact, phone number and city and state. In the first column company as editable as a false, remaining others and all editable as a true, and I am calling some component dot sss in this function. In that SSS.mxml I calling vbox with a text input id as a set city, text as a data as a city, combo box id as a pick state and selected item as a data dot state, and data provider as a all I included in a string functions in a combo box. Now I'm going to my main program. I'm just calling that component dot SSS for running a function. Now I created a component in that and then selectable as a false with as a 100 and text as a data dot city comma data dot state. In this function it will be calling to the component function, and I am created a init dg as an array collections and given as a company name, contact persons, phone number, city, state and all. In this city and states and all called by the component AAA 4ss.xml. In I also created another one examples in the same columns, and now I am getting the how we can get the events in simple manner. So if public function process data event dot data grid event, it will be called by the function, and event dot data field equal to city and state, and some functions will be handled, and it will be change events are all occurred by in this method only. Now I am going to run this application. See, now I have created a data grid. In that company, contact, phone and city and state. In that company name I created a 10th Planet Technology, contact person is Krishna and my phone number, and the city is Chennai and state is MS Madras, and another one is ChipKids and my contact person is Raju and another is phone number, and city and state are Chennai and Madras. Now I can edit only contact and phone number and city and state. Now see, now I have created a text box in that, and now I just creating as a Madras and just giving any of CA and all anything. It will be just it will be enabled as first where it will be not. So I can create here itself now Madras MADRAS. We can give ms as a given, it will be stored in that. Likewise we can edit any of the columns like that only. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity to explain an item editor examples in passing a multiple values from an item editor. Thank you.